everybody. If you are new or not new, welcome back, my loves. If you are not new, welcome, my loves. I am here. I am Sheambergyal, and I haven't been on here in like about 3 months. I've been slacking heavy, and I just been enjoying life like for the past couple months. And thank you. The air just cut off because you can barely hear me whenever the air is on. So I have been MIA a little while. You know, if you follow my Instagram, it is Sheamber with the underscore. And I am very active on there. And I usually update everything on there so y'all can get everything about YouTube and all that. So if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me so I can get every update for YouTube when I'm about to release a vlog. So this is a vlog. Welcome, welcome. I did do a lot. I went to Atlanta. I'll put a clip in for you so you can see what I did. I was doing this business deal and stuff and business apparel with my mom. So I was with her getting things for her boutique store. If y'all had not followed her, it is Pamela's Unique Boutique. I'll link it in the description. These shades are actually from her boutique. So if y'all like them, they sold out. If you want some more, let her know. DM her. But I'm very, very excited to be back on the vlog. I missed it. I honestly missed you too. I miss being in front of the camera. Every time I leave, I miss it heavy. So I'm like, I need to come back. I need to come back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the clip in for you guys so you can see my Atlanta trip. It'll be like a little, probably like at least 5 minutes. I don't know, you'll see, but I'll insert it for y'all to look at and then we'll get on with our day. So yeah, I'm excited.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Look at the elevators. Ah! That happened last month, and we're now October the 4th. So, yeah. But I have one more surprise for y'all. That I have a live reaction of me. I'll just put it in here so y'all can see what it is. So I wanted to get a live reaction for if I made it or not, and it said check your spam mail. So I'm gonna check my spam mail really, really quick and see if they sent me anything, if I joined the fashion show with them, and if not, I will see. Oh my gosh. Look, y'all! I'm stepping on the runway! Guys, I'm stepping on the runway. Oh my gosh. This is so real. This is so real. This is so real. This is so real. I gotta tell everybody. Yo, look. Look. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. Your gal is really, really about to be in a fashion show. And that's what I've been doing too. I've been like, you know, enjoying life. I've been experiencing things, doing things. And I haven't really been vlogging it. I've been just trying to enjoy the moment and then maybe come on later. But you know, y'all, I've been slacking. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better. I promise you. But the fashion show is next week. So this might be a whole vlog for y'all. It might be the whole Atlanta trip you just seen. And then I may go out tonight, like go just walk in the park, or if I'm just gonna chill, I don't know. I got cute today just because I wanted to get cute, just because I haven't got cute since June, my birthday. So I'm like, might as well just do a little light beat. Get my hair all cute, because this is the hair I'm wearing. This is actually a wig, guys. Like, look at this wig. It's 24 inches. And sorry, it's 22 inches. And I will be wearing this in the fashion show. So I want to try it out to see how it would look with makeup. So why not do it on a day like this. When it's beautiful outside, I can chill, relax. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty explanatory. Cheers to the fashion show next week. I believe they have like a cocktail party or some kind of business thing. I'm going to be passing out my cards out there. So I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm real excited because God's amazing. He's been doing a lot of things for me this entire year. Even though it doesn't look like it, he's doing a lot. So I'm really happy for what he's doing in my life right now. But I'll see you guys in the next clip. Guys. Look what came in the mail. It's finally here. Guy, my bag. I don't look my best right now, but who cares? Guys, look. It's literally here. Like, honestly, I'm so pumped. Like, the fact the editing has just began. Like, it's gonna get better and better. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. This is like, I've been wanting this for like 2 years now. And honestly, it's so great. I cannot wait to show you guys in the next clip. I'm so tired. I've been running around with this thing. But yes, I don't have my mic on yet, but I will turn it on soon. I don't have anything on the camera right now. It's just strictly from the camera mic. So if it's like really low, I'm sorry. But honestly, the next clip, I will give you the unboxing. So be ready for the unboxing. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got the iMac, as you can see, the yellow color. And I'm going to get this off real quick. It is so heavy. This is the back of it. Let me go ahead and get this box off here, and that way I can unbox the rest of it and show you everything that's inside. Give me 1 second. I've seen so many unboxing for the iMacs, and seeing it like in person is insane. So I'm like, this is actually way bigger than I expected. But the way it's packaged, you can tell it's not going to mess up the computer because it's so packed in, it's so secure. If you ever wanted to purchase one of these computers, I believe it's a really good idea because first and foremost, it's a good investment. And then second of all, it packages it really well and you don't have to worry about getting it in person because the way they deliver it is so like secure. So that's another plus in this part of the video. This is so like different than any other, ow, my nail, than any other like purchase that I have seen. Let's turn on the air, so if you hear any like background noise, that's what it is, but it's totally fine. I'm trying to get this Mac out. Look at it! Ah! Before I get into, doing the computer part, I am going to show you what's all in here and what I purchased with my iMac. So. Alright, so what I got in my iMac, I basically got, the basic, keyboard. I got the one with the touchscreen ID. Like, it matches perfect with the iMac. It's yellow, gold looking, and the back has the Apple. Super excited. I'm like so happy like touching this. Like, I'm actually doing a video of the iMac. Like, I've been wanting this for 2 years. So I'm like, you know what? I want to invest in myself. I'm going to get this thing. Let's get it cracking. all of the videos that I have watched for this iMac, the mouse is yellow or gold. You know, pretty gold background, and the front of course is white, and it is touchscreen as well, and it has like a soft click to it. But I got this and it was required to get it. This may be, it's like an extension. You have to plug it up to your Wi-Fi box to get faster, you know, direct. I think it's like direct signal or direct like Wi-Fi to your iMac. But I didn't really need it, but it was kind of required with this color, so I did get that. Couldn't really customize this the way I wanted to take this part off. But I did get to customize like the, you know, the Pro, the software, the gigabyte, the RAM, all that. But just this part I could not take off. So this here may be stuck like this, not touched at all. Then of course it comes with the charger. This is definitely gonna be not on my MacBook, but it's gonna be like somewhere near it because it's just, look at it, it's so nice. Then the instructions tell you how to power it on. I will also give you an update, all of this in the review, everything. I also have an office video coming out. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Oh, this is so beautiful. Good morning, everyone. Last time you saw me was on Wednesday. I had an intro for you guys. I just brought you back to reality. But now we're back in reality again. I want you all to see where I was, what I was doing, and just vlogging like little things that I did, even though I wasn't vlogging fully. I'm trying to like show you guys what I was doing outside of YouTube over the month or two. So I'm about to head out. Got my makeup did, you know, got these shades I have. They came from Shein. And then this also came from Shein as well, this headband. Hair done by me, it's a wig. And then I got this shirt. This shirt, I think it came from like, I want to say Shein as well, just because this one was gifted to me. And then I have these pants. They're bell bottoms. Let me show you. They're bell bottoms. So look at my toes, they're not done, but they're bell bottoms. These came from my mom's boutique. Go copy some. They're very comfortable, very stretchy, and make your body look good. So plans for today, let me go ahead and show you guys real quick what we're doing. I'm in the bathroom, hold on. I do have to get my model bag together. And I'm gonna be going to the mall to get a couple of things. Really simple, not that much I need. Guys, this sun is not hitting in the right direction, but I'm now downtown. I didn't even go anywhere, y'all. Like, I had everything planned to go to the whole like store to get my everything, like get everything for my model bag for next week. And tell me why, of course all the stores didn't even have my size. So I'm like, okay, cool, guess I have to order online. So now I know I could order online. So great. I am gonna go to Walmart today to see if they have like my undergarments, because I have to have an undergarment. I have to have that's pretty much everything I need. But sorry for the background, it's like the cars and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to Walmart for that, and then the rest is going to be online because I can't find my stuff. So that's my day. Alright guys, I'm at Hobby Lobby. I know, it went left. I'm over here at different stores, but Hobby Lobby to get some stuff from my mother's store. We have pink and white cups for a giveaway for her boutique with her logo on it. So I'm really excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. Woo-hoo-hoo.
We're excited for sure. So we are getting this and heading out, because if we keep shopping,
We'll buy more.
we'll buy the whole store.
Yes, it will.
Which one we got this
Yay.
and on a buggy. Looking at Christmas stuff. And I literally said, Mother, let's go in here, let's get these cups, let's get out, because if we start looking, we will start buying, as we just said. We need to get out.
I'll jam to it too.
She said I like it.
Cause half
Mother?
Half a 24
No.
is what?
I'm walking away.
That is too cute.
I'm walking away.
Oh, I gotta go to the store.
Yes, we do. Now, you know I love fall, and I see Thankful. I see cute stuff over there,
This does.
but I'm not gonna do it.
I mean, get out of here for real.
I keep trying to lead you out. No, no. Mm-mm.
Wow. That's a good deal. What is this?
Look at y'all. She's like a kid in a candy store.
Oh, look, hey.
Look at her.
Say, look.
Hey.
Ding, 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 ding. Don't feel like I'm
Wait,
down
they
that
have
much.
fall. I'm on my love fall.
I know. Let's go.
I gotta get out of here. They have white pumpkins. I'll put this on the countertop. It would look so cute. $7.99. How much is that?
They 40% off.
$7.99 would be.
$4.49.
That's perfect. I can get 4 of these.
Later. Let's go.
No, not later. Now.
No.
Just put it. Just put it in here. Let me just put it in the back. Oh my God.
Hot chocolate.
Cute.
Hot chocolate. Ain't that cute? Hot chocolate.
Wait. That's
This
not
comes
that's not
off.
a cup.
Yes,
Mother.
it is a cup. This comes off the top.
You know I love cups.
You know I like hot
You know I
chocolate.
need Christmas cups too for Christmas.
No.
I don't like. No, that's ugly. Gingerbread. I love gingerbreads.
Yes, don't have
They
S.
never have. They don't have P.
Don't
So
have
what's
P's
up?
either.
They got M for mom.
I don't want mom. I want M for my name. P for my
Look,
name.
look. M-A-M Mama.
M-A-M, no. See, dear,
They aren't real.
they're so cute.
No, they are real. I'm saying. I said deer's not real. I meant.
Let's go.
I meant. Wait a minute. I'm at Target.
Look at her. Huh. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. Huh. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her.
Good morning, everyone. Took my feet done. And let me just show you my outfit. I have to run because y'all already know when I get my feet done, meet my mother, I'm always like a little bit early, a little bit late. Either one, I don't even know because this time I'm gonna be a little early, but I'm trying to be early because there's traffic on the way there. So anyway, let me hurry up. Let me get out of here. So I got this band on again. This came from Shein. These glasses or shades came from Shein as well, or Shein. Hair done by me. And then I got this outfit. Let's see everything. Hold on. I want y'all to see it all. So then I got this outfit. It's really, really, really long. Like it's really past my feet and I'm 5'11". This came from Pretty Little Thing. This bag came from Michael Kors. And then I have these shoes. Then I have these shoes here. That matches my purse. It came from Shein as well. So, I'm gonna get out of here.
Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you're in danger?